I'm just a welder, fabricator, pipe fitter, pipe welder, right? So basically I work in trades, hence name of the channel. If you anything like me, if you work in trades, you might make average UK salary, maybe a little bit more, also something around this. You can follow me and see how I am working this out, how I am going into this journey. It's already since 2018, so it's been 7 years. And what mistakes did I make? I made a lot of mistakes. I don't want you to make those mistakes. You can just avoid them by following me. So I started in 2018. I bought £50 worth of Bitcoin on Revolut app, if I remember right. It was at the time, I think Bitcoin went from $3,000 to $6,000. So in 3 months, I made 100% profit, right? 50 quid. I felt like a genius, you know. I'm into crypto now and everything, but I had no money to invest. I had no money, no spare money. So I left it. What I was trying to do, someone told me about Forex trading, you know, leverage and all of that, right? In Forex, I found an app, I found a way. In UK, it's not really allowed for private people to have leverage so high, but I found a way to do it with 500x leverage. So I was losing money very fast, right? I was hoping to make money very fast, but I was losing money very fast. I was trying to learn the trading properly. I was taking courses, all free. Okay, maybe there were some paid courses that would make it better, but I was trying to make it for free. I spent a lot of time and a lot of money on it. You know, trial and error. But no, it never worked out. Basically, I lost more money on trading than I made. There were times that I made some good money, like $5,000 in a week, I think, on one trade actually. That worked out pretty well. But then I lost everything in like 6 hours. So, you know, I decided it's not for me. Then COVID happened. We've been bound at homes, and I decided I need to start saving money. I need to budget, basically. So I needed to check how much money I spent on what, because I knew I will have only 75% of wages on this furlough. And it turned out that I'm wasting a lot of money, and I've got like, I don't remember, but it was like 100 quid a week that I could invest, could save. So at this time, all the markets dropped like pretty bad, like 50%, I think, and rebound really fast. And I started buying stocks when it was very low. So I had the spare money, right? And everyone was buying Tesla. So I bought Tesla. And for next, I think 6 to 9 months, it was just going up. So, I was lucky, that's it. But it showed me that the long way is better than the fast way. There are no quick money, right, in investing. And that's the point. That's the point, to basically hold it for a long time. In those couple months, this 9 months or whatever, I saved enough money to pay deposit for the house that I'm sitting in now, in my spare bedroom, like a real YouTuber. And since then, I still tried a little bit of trading with stocks, single stocks, with leverage, then just buying single stocks without leverage, just buying for a longer term. And the thing that worked out best is just the boring, long way, buying ETFs for full packs. If you don't know what ETFs are, it's like a pack of many companies in one product. So basically, you buy in, for example, ETF SP500. It's 500 biggest companies in United States, and it's bound in one product with different amounts of this. But you don't have to be worried about it. So basically, you buying just this ETF and waiting for a long time. How it's working is basically, I've got 2 ETFs. I've got half in SP500 and half in Whole World. Whole World ETF is around 2,000 companies, and they are 60% is from US anyway, because that's how stock market is listing, right? With most of the market capitalization is in United States anyway. Obviously, it changes now a little bit. That's why, to protect myself a little bit from US maybe having some problems in future, that's why I'm buying this Whole World ETF. So long-term averages for SP500 for last 30 years, if I remember right, it's like 12% a year return. Obviously, it's average. So 1 year it will be better, 1 year it will be worse, right? So 1 year it could be minus 25, next year it could be plus 40%. It happened before, stuff like that. So the point is, if you start investing like that, you have to put money with this mindset that you're living it for a long term. Because it could be lost decade. That happened before as well. So for a decade, you could be in red. Not the nicest thing, but if you have long-term view, then it should be all right. You're thinking about this like, I'm buying every week, yeah, or I'm buying every month, or whatever you are being paid. And if you're in red, it means that you're buying cheap. If you're in profit, it means that, great, you're making money. So both ways are good. Till you coming closer to this point that you want to start taking those profits, taking those money out. And I've been doing this regular investing with every week for about like 18 months now, together with my girlfriend, or future wife, And yeah, that's our plan. We decided, we counted everything. So the plan is to have 1 million in at this point already 16 years. It was 17 on beginning with the money that we are paying in. It could happen faster, it could happen later. The point is, we are in profit, like pretty good, like 20%, I think, in profit at the moment, in a year and a half, which is great, and it compounds over time. So, if nothing bad will happen, of course, life could happen. The plan is to never stop doing this and to start taking profits. If we have this £1 million, then there is a rule of 4% that you take 4% out from your investment in a stock market every year, and that should allow, including inflation, that the target, let's say, it will be 3%, including that it's growing still, those 4% taken out every year should allow you not to take the base money out and still allow them to grow a little bit. So 4% of 1 million is £40,000, and that's not included for inflation. So in 17 years it will be more, because that's how it's counted. The plan is then to have basically another wages at home that would allow us to semi-retire, both of us, or maybe retire one of us. Or if we're gonna be feeling all right, because I really like my job, if I'm gonna still feel good, maybe I will still work and, just don't take overtime, right? Because I don't have to, don't work away, because I don't have to. So I guess it's better than doing nothing. Throughout those next 16 years, I'm sure I'm going to be getting some pay rises. I'm going to be doing more money. I'm always doing some side projects. I've got ADHD, so always have something going on the side. So there is big possibility that actually sure that I will pay more and more money. So in 16 years, I'm sure it will be more than 1 million, right? It's not exciting, but it's growing. And as history proves, people, we as a humanity, we improving all the time, right? We are more productive, like with AI now. So if you know how stock market works, it's benefiting from improvement of humanity. And if you understand this, you will know we had 2 world wars, we had multiple crises, and all of that just passed, and the stock market still goes up. So you're being protected for your future. The time will pass anyway. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. I just strongly believe that that's the way. And obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some crazy, stupid guy sitting in his spare bedroom and, making videos, some bullshit, learning how to talk to camera. Sorry. But so don't listen to me. Do your own research. If you want to follow it, I will give a lot of tips on my channel. What I am doing to, for example, save money, how to drive electric car, so it's as cheap as possible. At the moment, it costs me 35 pence a day to drive to work and back, 16 miles a day. I will explain all of it, how I'm doing this, how I'm saving money, how to save money on heating, where I'm investing my ETFs are actually bought on InvestEngine, because they have no fees. There are just minimum fees that goes with ETFs. I think it's 0.07% a year from SP500 and 0.12% a year from whole world. So they are really, really minimum. But the thing is, the lower the fees, that's something that you can't change, right? You can choose where the fees are low. So with the lower the fees, the better, basically, especially in the long-term game. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much. That was my first video with me on camera, talking this all stuff from my head. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.